Greeting to everyone. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Hafizam bin Abdul Muzidil, number metric BB22110235. So for the part 1, we prepare for table and to graph bar. Firstly, we spread domestic and international data to find the frequency, relative frequency, and cumulative relative frequency in each dataset. So in the table 1 and 2, we include the analysis for each part. Second part is where we need to compare between relative frequency and cumulative relative frequency for the domestic and international passenger. For relative frequency, we use the formula frequency divided by total frequency to find the answer. As an example, number of domestic passenger from 10,000 to 800,000 person, which we divide 90 to divide by 24 to get 0.79, and 20 divide to 24 to get 0.88 for international passenger. The total relative frequency must be at 1 to get the perfect answer. Next, to find the cumulative relative frequency, we need to adding the relative frequency that we already get continuously by each interval. So example from table 4, we adding 0.79 at 10,000 to 800,000 passenger, then we add 0.13 from relative frequency at 80,100% to 1,060,100%, which we get 0.9. So the graph showed us that the cumulative relative frequency, the numbers will getting up until 1.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Aslin. My matrix number is PB22110409. Today I will be presenting part 2, which is about the central location of the domestic airline and international airline. There are three ways that I will be using to measure the central location. The first measure of the central location is average or mean. This is done by adding all the data and divided by size of the sample. As a result, the domestic airline mean is 610,821.54 and the international airline mean is 740,362.37. Second way is by using median. Median of a set of sample data for which there are even number of measurement is the mean of the two middle measurement when the data are arranged in numerical order. There are, as a result, domestic airline median is 270,716 and the international airline median is 137,048.50. Next is by using mid-range. Mid-range is calculated by adding the highest and the lowest value of data set together and dividing the sum by 2. And the result, domestic airline mid-range is 2 million and international airline mid-range is 4 million. Mode is a set of sample data that the most frequent occurring value. Based on the data given, there are no mode to be found because none of the data is repeat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asransya bin Abdurrahman, metric number BB22110374. I will present part 3 in this assignment. Calculate percentiles and construct box plot in each data set. This is all the Excel formula. For example, to search mean for domestic airline is just put the data to the Excel like this and put the formula and array the all data and bracket and enter and get the mean. And for and all are same to search like that. For quartile 1, like quartile 1 for domestic airline is 1412 22703.02 and quartile 2 median 217716 and quartile 3 for domestic airlines is 676 at 74.55 and maximum for domestic airline is 4269181. Mean for international airline is 52937. For mean is 740,362.4. Quartile ones for international airline is 993. Sorry, 93787. Quartile 2 median 137,048.5. Quartile 3 615,069.5 and maximum is 8808,742. Box plot box plot calculation is for domestic IQR for domestic airline is 535672.5 and lower outlet limit for domestic airline is negative 662307. For upper outlier limit for domestic airline is 7480,383. For international airlines, IQR for international airline is 71282.5. Lower outlier limit for international airline is negative 13136.8 and the upper outlier limit for international airlines is 271993.3. For to get the chat for the box plot constatation is put the all data to the Excel and go to the insert. Go to the insert and go to the graph and just this up and get the chart and send to such international airlines or it just that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Fadam Menjuari, matrix BB22110548. I will cover measures of dispersion, which include range, mean absolute deviation, variance, and standard deviation, and coefficient of variance. First, range is the difference between the highest and lowest value. So it is recorded that domestic traffic have range of 4231,869. The highest is 4269,181 passengers, and the lowest is 37312 passengers. For mean absolute deviation, which is the average of the absolute differences, the data collected showed 626677.83 for domestic and 25206,769 for international. Then the variance and standard deviation for domestic 1414,747,4999,62.48 and 1189,431.587. International traffic is 1-2-1-5-2-4-9-9-7-1-1-98.95 and 1-1-0-2-3-83.768. The last topic covered in dispersion is coefficient of variance. This could be collected by dividing the standard deviation by the mean. The domestic record was 17.41 while international is 0.16. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Asri. My matrix number is BB22110482. So let's continue to the part 5. For the part 5, we will calculate and interpret measure of association. Okay, first of all, what you need to know from the data have been given, you need to know that X equal to domestic and Y equal to international. So after that, we need to find the mean for X and mean for Y. How I get the mean? You can use the data have been given from the column of x. You can total all the data have been given on x and divide it by 24, and you will get the mean of x, which is 642,697. That you do the same for the y data. You total all the data have been given at the column y and divide it by 24, and you will get the mean of y, 740,362. After that, we can find the covariance when using this formula, which is x minus with x bar multiply with y minus y bar, and you can divide it by 24 minus 1. So you will get the answer, which is 15138,550,28070.83. After we find the covariance, we can find the correlation. Okay, before we find the correlation, we need to know what is the standard deviation of x and what is standard deviation of y. How we can find this? We need to find the variance first. The variance, you can use this formula to find the variance. So after calculating, I find the variance of x, which is 97605089007.91, and I find the variance y, 3764754904966.24. After that, you can use this formula to get the standard of deviation. After calculating that, I find the standard deviation of x, which is 987952.88, and I get the standard deviation of y, which is 1940297.63. After that, you can find the correlation using this formula, which is the covariance divided by standard deviation of x and multiplied by standard deviation of y. So after you calculating, you will get the answer, which is 0.8. So what we can get from here, the relationship between domestic and international is positive relationship. That's all from me.